Alright, what going on with it, y'all? This your boy Charlie from CR3 Home Services with another DIY video. Hey, on this video, we're gonna do some testing on this video on the electrical stove for the bake element not coming on. So I'm gonna test it out and see what's going on with a multimeter. Looks like this. I had a link in the description where you guys can purchase it from. Alright, you guys, let's get it. Alright, y'all, so this is a Frigidaire bake element off of electrical stove. We're just gonna test this bad boy out to see if it got continuity to it. See if it don't have continuity to it, it's a bad element. If it do make a sound like it's a good element. So I just wanna show y'all how to do this with this multimeter right here. And I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to do it. Alright, y'all, so this is the multimeter device. You see it's on off mode right now. You want to go all the way to ohms reading with them Wi-Fi signal coming out of it. Give y'all a better look at it. They got this emblem right here, it's called an ohms reading, OL. So all multimeters are different, but it got the same emblems on most of multimeter devices. So, you know, you don't have to buy this one, you can buy another as long as it got the ohms. You see the Wi-Fi signals on there. It's pretty similar to all the rest of them. So, all right, y'all, so let me show y'all how to test it out. Now, you want to put your prongs on the end part of the element, just like that. Just like that. It's not making any noise. You got a bad element. If it was making a noise like this, so yeah, if it was making noise like this, you have a good element. So basically, that's how you test out an electrical bake element off a stove. Yeah, I forgot to tell y'all about how good these multimeter devices are. So you can test out anything dealing with power inside or outside a home. It's really good to have. So you can test out power or circuit going to any type of electrical that you have. So it's a good investment, you guys. So you can test out a lot of things with it. And that's it. That's how you test out a bake element on an electrical stove with a multimeter. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in on my DIY videos. In the next video, I'm gonna show y'all how to replace the element in the stove. So you'll know how to do that. Stay tuned. Y'all like, subscribe, follow my YouTube for more DIYs. And I'll see y'all next time. I'm out.